In Mahabalipuram, there are some magical bells which toll 18 times in a day simultaneously. However, every bell tolls at a different interval of time, but not in the fraction of minutes. Maximum number of bells in the temple can be. Well, you have to just see the problem and understand like what exactly the problem is. Like it's a word problem. Mostly like LCM and HCF will have this kind of applications. So we'll see here like how to solve this problem. So given that the bells toll together 18 times in a day. So in a day means the day is nothing but 24 hours. The one day when you consider is nothing but 24 hours. And now consider this in terms of minutes again. So it's going to be 24 into 60 minutes. That is one day. So given that the bells, we don't know how many bells, that's what you have to find out. But there are 18 bells. I'm sorry, the 18 times they are going to toll together in 24 into 60 minutes. So one time when you consider, then it is going to be 24 into 60 divided by 18 minutes. Okay. So when you calculate this, 24 by 18 is nothing but 4 by 3, and the 60 by 3 is 20. 4 into 20 is 80. So this is nothing but 80 minutes. So we can see that one time tolling together is nothing but in 80 minutes. So we have to see that when they toll at 80 minutes, how many bells can be tolling together at that time? This is what I'm going to say. They might be tolling at different intervals. That is what is given. They don't have the same interval, and also it's not fraction of minute. So we can consider, like for example, you can say that 1 minute, if one bell is tolling, you can see that it tolls at 80 minutes. Similarly, when you go for 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 4 minutes, 6 minutes, it keeps tolling in that way, and it will toll at 80th again. But when you go for 3 minutes, obviously this like 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on, but it will not toll at 80, it will toll only at 81, because 81 is a multiple of 3, but 80 is not a multiple of 3. So we can roll this out. So what do you mean by that? When you say that, that means you're going to just see which are all the numbers it is divisible by, or the factors of 80 you're going to see. Like 1 is a factor of 80, 2 is a factor of 80, 3 is not a factor, 4, then 5, and you have to take 8, then you can go for 10. We have 16, 20, 40, and 80. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 of them. You don't have any other factor here. So therefore, we can say there are 10 different bells of the interval at which they toll. I mean, the bell is like 1 minute, 2 minutes, and so on. And all together, they will be tolling at the 80th minute. So this is nothing but the factors problem. So we have to see how to find the factors. The shortcut which you must be knowing is like write this in the form of a prime factor. This is 16 into 5, that is 2 power 4 into 5. And this, after writing this, take the powers alone, increase the powers by 1. So this 4 will become 5, and this 1 will become 2. When you multiply, you get 10. So this is the number of factors of 80. So instead of going for this, you can directly go for this and find this. This is a